Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're ready to record, open voice memos, and grant microphone permission so the app can capture sound. Tap the red record button to start, speak clearly, and keep the phone steady. Use wired earbuds or an external mic for better clarity because distance and case obstruction reduce levels. Once done, tap the square stop button. The memo saves automatically with a timestamp. This immediate start avoids preamble and gets you a usable take fast. Once you have a take, tap the recording and choose Edit to trim silence or mistakes, drag handles precisely, then save. Rename the file to something descriptive so you can find it later, and move it into a folder for organization. If you use iCloud, enable voice memos in settings so your recordings sync across iPhone, iPad, and Mac automatically. Make sure to check free iCloud storage. Syncing fails if you're out of space. When you're finished, tap the memo, hit the share button, and choose Messages, Mail, AirDrop, or Save to Files to export the M4A. Back up important memos to files or a cloud service so you don't lose them. If you encounter problems, no sound or low volume, check microphone permission in settings, restart the phone, and remove any case or debris blocking the mic. If that doesn't help, try a different mic or update iOS and test again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.